Alright, so I got a set of these Rev 9 Hyper Street coilovers, and right off the bat, stupid thing number one, the third bolt where the freaking sway bar is supposed to go through is not any longer on the new ones, so the sway bar has to come out. I was going to replace that bolt, but you can't get it out of here. Another really stupid thing that I'm noticing is these things on the originals have extra clearance below the strut, and this thing comes down a little bit. On these, you don't have that extra clearance, and it looks like built so fucking poorly that it could potentially rub on the axle. Now, maybe that'll change once the car's on the ground, but I have a feeling these are not going to work on this car.